अपार्ट फ्रॉम डॉलर्स व्हाट डू यू थिंक यहाँ ऐसा है कि लोग वापस घर नहीं जाते? व्हाट इज द बिगेस्ट लाई एनआरआई पीपल टेल बैक होम इन इंडिया?
That life is great, guys.
What is the definition of success to you?
Being able to provide for my family, my mom and dad.
तो घर जाने का प्लान है?
100%.
How often do you go to India?
Not very often. I've only gone twice.
In 25 years, twice.
Yeah. I definitely feel that home is always going to be India.
दोनों का अगर वर्क कल्चर कंपेयर करें इट्स वेरी डिफरेंट.
अच्छा, घर की कितनी याद आती है?
वो घर की तो बहुत ज़्यादा याद आती है.
Everything in life comes with a cost, so if you are willing to pay for it, then make it worthy enough.
How was life as an Indian living in the US as a child?
It was hard, actually. Yeah, because I grew up in the South, so there's a lot of racism.
नमस्ते, सत श्री अकाल, कैसे आप सबके हाल? मेरा नाम है ऋतु. वेलकम बैक टू अ ब्रांड न्यू व्लॉग. आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू बी बैक हियर और आज करने वाली हूँ मैं बहुत सारे सवाल जवाब. एनआरआईज़ की लाइफ यूएस में एग्जैक्टली होती कैसी है, आज मैं आपको वो बताने की कोशिश करूँगी. क्या सक्सेस का मतलब है? क्या एनआरआईज़ एक दूसरे के साथ सीक्रेटली काफ़ी कॉम्पिटिटिव होते हैं? उन्हें घर की इतनी याद आती है तो वापस क्यों नहीं जाते हैं? डॉलर्स के सिवा यहाँ ऐसा क्या है कि एनआरआईज़ रुक जाते हैं? यूएस की लाइफस्टाइल में ये जो लोनलीनेस का टैग है, ये एग्जैजरेशन है या सच में फील होता है? घर यहाँ है, वहाँ है, कहाँ है? ऐसे बहुत सारे सवाल मैं पूछने वाली हूँ. आई एम होपफुल ये सब जब आप देखो तो आपको अच्छा लगे. लेट्स रोल. हाय, व्हाट्स योर नेम?
Hi, I'm Mahima.
Hi, I'm Foram.
हाउ लॉन्ग यू हैव बीन इन द यूएस?
I have been here since 3 years.
3 years. Nice.
Yeah.
How long you?
More than 2 years.
2 years. शुरू में कैसा लगा और अब कैसा लगता है?
Shuru mein it was a bit lonely, but now it's all okay. I've got friends here now, and I know a lot of people, so it's getting better with each day.
आपको कैसा लगता है?
I don't feel nice, but I'm getting by. Definitely better than home though.
अच्छा, ठीक है. तो घर की याद शुरू में आती थी या हमेशा से ही आ रही थी?
I mean, आती है, अभी भी आ रही है, हमेशा ही आएगी.
Correct. You one pro and one con of living in the US.
I think the life here is really nice. You can go out, you can explore a lot of things here.
Correct.
But one con is that I miss my family a lot. Like that closeness, those friends, those school friends that I have, that I can't find here. So yeah, definitely that.
Do you feel a sense of home here because you've been living here for quite some time, or do you feel sense of home when you go back to India?
I definitely feel that home is always going to be India. It's not that since I'm living here since 3 years, this has become my home. I don't think it will ever be my home. I don't.
आप बताओ.
I think home is where people are. So it like depends on like if someone's closer to their people here, it's home to them. If they're closer to people there, it's home to them.
Why do you think people actually stay here after saying हम वापस जा रहे हैं और नहीं जाते हैं?
According to me, I think people in India are very judgmental, and people here don't care don't care too much. So anybody can live here without any care. They can do anything. They do not have to worry about what other person might be thinking. I think that's one thing that I always feel like it's good here, and that's why I might not want to go back to India.
Hi. What's your name? Rohit. How long you've been here?
About 3 years.
3 years.
Yeah.
आपको यूएस में रह के कैसा लगता है?
Wow, actually that's not a simple answer, but like अच्छा तो लगता है obviously. Like you meet a lot of people from different countries, different cultures. But घर की याद तो ज़्यादा आती है.
घर की याद आती है?
I think for some reason you always feel that you are a second class citizen over here.
Okay.
You know what I say? Like, but in general I think it's lovely. I mean the infrastructure, the people, and it's definitely different. So yeah, I mean it's a good.
Nice.
It's a good.
ऐसा क्या है आपको यहाँ पे लगता है कि लोग यहाँ पे आते हैं और ऐसा क्या है कि लोग वापस नहीं जाते?
Off late, since the past 3 or 4 years, मैं अपने जूनियर से भी जितना बात करता हूँ, लोग इसलिए आना चालू हो गए बिकॉज सब आ रहे हैं.
अच्छा, ऐसा भी है.
That's a fact. कि जाते हैं बट पता नहीं आपके ये कितना देखेंगे लोग, बट लाइक I just want to say it's not all glitters.
Correct.
I mean it's a lot of struggle. अगर आपको जॉब नहीं मिल पाती यहाँ पे, जो कि बहुत ख़राब है अभी फ़िलहाल मार्केट, एंड विद द करंट regime and policy is becoming more tough.
Correct.
There are better options out there, and
स्पेशली वीज़ा का यहाँ इतना टेंशन है.
and मैं ज्ञान नहीं देना चाहता था, but like there's a report by EY that by 2030 the purchase power parity is going to be superior in India as compared to US.
Correct.
So I mean there are a lot of things that you need to keep in mind. It's just definitely a beautiful place, but I'd say 1-2 महीना vacation करने आ जाओ. बट जहाँ तक डॉलर्स की बात है ऑब्वियसली आई थिंक सबकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज होती है, घर पे पैसा भेजना है जो
करेक्ट
दैट इज देयर, बट आई थिंक देयर आर प्लेसेस elsewhere as well where you can probably make a good living.
Correct. What is the definition of success to you?
Being content. I know that's a very simple answer, but I don't think a lot of people are content even when they are millionaires. So I mean, just being content is being successful. Being able to, provide for my family, my mom and dad. That's I think ज़्यादा भी नहीं चाहिए, पर एक बार वो लेवल रीच हो गया जहाँ पे where I think that मैं घर वापस जा सकता हूँ and like my family can we can live easily. I think that's success.
तो घर जाने का प्लान है?
100%.
आपको लगता है कि आप जाओगे, फिर आपको लगता है कि आप देखोगे?
I think that differs a lot, right? Like basically आपके responsibilities क्या है उस पर भी. I mean like back home in India, मेरे family का एक business है and my dad really wants
You to
me to
join.
come back.
हाँ.
And I'm excited. It's not like कि मेरे लिए एक वो compulsion
Foundation
है.
नहीं है, हाँ.
Like that's why मतलब dad-
परंपरा प्रतिष्ठा वाली चीज नहीं है, जाना है बोलते
But I
हैं.
think मेरे काफ़ी friends हैं
हाँ.
जिनके लिए it's not like there's a base waiting for back in India. So I'd suggest them to stay here for like 10-15 years,
हाँ.
build a good base here or
Correct.
in India because आप यहाँ पे कमा के अगर वहाँ पे डॉलर भेज रहे हो, आप बहुत अच्छा घर खरीद सकते हो. तो I mean,
Hi, what's your name?
Karun.
Arya.
What's your name?
Mihir.
अच्छा, आप लोग कब से यूएस में हो? कैसा लगता है यूएस में?
मैं 2021 में आया था. It's been a nice journey but fun, I would say.
Fun? Okay, that's a good way. हाँ, आप बताओ.
I've been here for I think 2.5 years.
हाँ.
It's been good so far. No complaints.
No complaints. That's another.
It's a ride
हाँ.
with a lot of uphills and downhills.
It's a roller coaster.
It's a roller coaster. Yeah.
आप बताओ कितना टाइम हो गया?
I've been here for 6 years and it's been a long journey with
Yeah.
lots of ups and downs and
One word for this journey.
amazing.
Oh, that's another good thing. आप बताओ.
I've been here for 8 years.
8 years?
Yeah, and the journey has been a mix of a lot of emotions and ups and downs,
हाँ.
obviously, and
One word.
New York or nowhere.
Oh, that's good. Do you think कि यहाँ रहना worth it है, या फिर आपको लगता है कि मतलब घर पे भी रह सकते हो, यहाँ मत आओ? आपको क्या लगता
I think it's a big decision you have to take. आसान नहीं है. अगर तुम सोच के आओगे कि मूवीज जैसा है सब कुछ, वो नहीं है यहाँ पे.
है? Correct.
यहाँ की दुनिया बहुत अलग है और बहुत काम करना पड़ता है. आसान नहीं है कि एक दिन में सब कुछ हो जाएगा.
Correct.
And you have to just accept it and keep moving is what I feel.
आपको क्या लगता है कि यहाँ एक चीज़ जो बहुत अच्छी है और एक चीज़ जो काफ़ी ख़राब है कि यार ये बस बदल जाए यहाँ पे?
The one thing that's great here, I think, is independence, personal growth you have when you're not living with your family and you're outside doing things for yourself. I think that's great. Because यहाँ पे it's like a oyster, right? आपको जो करना आप कर सकते हो. Your dreams are yours. You can chase them as however you want to. एक चीज़ जो अच्छी नहीं है, I think probably the political system right now. I think it's really sad and depressing.
It actually stresses you out कि तुम कब तक हो?
Stresses you out, and also I feel like it adds a lot of anxiety for a person who is not from here, who is a person of color, who's a woman. I think like it has a lot of layers to it, but also at the same time, like what's a place where that's not the case, right?
Yeah.
So it's just about like choices and how you want to like lead your life with those choices. That's it.
Nice. Do you think people in India back home feel that you are successful?
Definitely. I feel myself I've grown a lot.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Nice. हाँ.
Okay, thank you.
ऐसे पिचिंग करना पड़ता है विंग मैन. हाँ. Nice. हाँ. So आपको सक्सेसफुल फील होता है?
Yeah, I feel like I've grown a lot from where I started and it's been a good journey so far. I want to do a lot of things that I have in my mind which will make me more successful.
Correct.
But I don't know how I'll be there, but one day. So
प्रे करना सब. मुझे आप एक बात बताओ, जब आप बोलते हो कि आप यूएस में रहते हो, द फीलिंग ऑफ होम यहाँ आती है या फिर इंडिया में आती है?
I think definitely India because वहाँ पे like I've grown up over there तो वहाँ पे ही better लगता है. But मेरे लिए घर is like कोई ऐसा like building या कुछ नहीं जहाँ पे like close people हो.
हाँ.
That's what घर for me is.
हाँ.
तो मेरे लिए है यहाँ पे ये सारे.
हाँ. बट पता है अगर तुम्हारे पास लोग यहाँ नहीं है, इट्स अ वेरी स्कैरी सिचुएशन. लाइक ईदर इफ यू डोंट लाइक पीपल और इफ यू आर नॉट, देन यू आर लाइक सिंपली एलिनेटेड. आपको क्या लगता है कि यहाँ पे लोग सुपर कॉम्पिटिटिव होते हैं बिकॉज बिगर हाउस, बिगर सैलरीज, इसके पास वो है, उसके पास ये है, या आपको लगता है एनआरएस ऐसी बंदा में इंडिया में भी लोग कॉम्पिटिटिव होते हैं?
I think competition हर जगह है, comparison हर जगह है. यहाँ पे I feel कम है थोड़ा. इतना बाहर आता नहीं है. इंडिया में थोड़ा है कि हमारे पास ये है वो है, तुम्हारे पास तो नहीं है ये सब. सो उसका आई थिंक देयर सम काइंड ऑफ बैरियर देयर विद बिटवीन पीपल. एंड यहाँ पे आई फील मोर ओपन टू बी ऑनेस्ट. लाइक किसी को कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता, अगर कोई ब्रांड पहन के घूम रहा है तो किसी को कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता उस सब में.
Whatever.
और कोई कुछ बना कितना भी कमा रहा हो, आई डोंट थिंक कोई जज करता है उसके हिसाब से.
आप बताओ, आपका सेम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू है?
I don't think so people here are satisfied at all.
They're
I think
craving for
people
more.
are satisfied more back home for sure. I think people are happier with less because the power of community is a lot stronger back home. But like he said, like competition is everywhere. It's up to you how competitive you are as a person, and I think that plays, you know, generally. And of course, like the social status here is a lot more spread out because especially in New York City, everyone's coming from different places to be something here. That's the whole point of this is the city of dreams at the end of the day. So it's very different. Like in where I am from, it's like very different because people are very happy and sustained with like the slow life.
Correct.
And yeah.
What is the biggest lie NRI people tell back home in India कि ये है?
That life is great, guys. You know, it's all fun and games. आ जाओ और जियो ये जिंदगी हमारे साथ.
गुड वन. हाँ, आप बताओ.
आई थिंक द सेम, क्योंकि उनको हमारी स्टोरीज वगैरह देख के लगता है कि ये तो बहुत मजे कर रहे हैं.
हाँ,
बट
बड़ी गाड़ी, अच्छा घर.
हाँ, गाड़ी तो अभी तक नहीं आया है, बट
सफाई करो.
सब कुछ अपने आप करना पड़ता है.
हाँ.
एंड कोई पूछता है तो वी आर लाइक हाँ सही है, अच्छा है, सब कुछ सब बढ़िया है.
आप बताओ.
सेम वो स्टोरी पे देख के सबको लग रहा है पार्टी कर रहा है, बट
हाँ, असली में पार्टी डिश वॉशिंग और वॉशिंग मशीन की ओर.
Makes a work hard, play hard. I feel like it is partying. It's not like we don't have
The
fun.
more you work, the more you can party hard. So
you only see parts of your life.
Yeah.
But
Which is on Instagram looks very glamorous with filters sometimes, but behind it there is a lot of hard work. Okay. Hi. What's your
Hi.
name?
Ankita.
What's your name?
Kushal,
How long you have been in the US?
It's been almost 8 years for me.
आपको
3 years.
3 years. बहुत सारे लोग जब US मूव होते हैं काफ़ी टाइम ऐसा बोलते हैं कि वी आर हियर फॉर सम टाइम and they end up like spending their entire life. Apart from dollars, what do you think यहाँ ऐसा है कि लोग वापस घर नहीं जाते?
I think इधर का वर्क कल्चर काफ़ी अच्छा है. Well, आपने जो बोला, I was one of them. मैं इधर मूव की थी 2017 में फॉर माई मास्टर्स. फिर मुझे लगा था कि मास्टर्स के बाद आई विल गो बैक टू इंडिया. एंड इनफैक्ट लाइक इधर मूव करने से पहले मैंने इंडिया में भी काम किया था 2 साल. सो दोनों का अगर वर्क कल्चर कंपेयर करें, इट्स वेरी डिफरेंट. सो दैट इज़ वन थिंग विच आई फील स्टॉप्स पीपल फ्रॉम गोइंग बैक. एंड मे बी सेफ्टी इधर का.
गर्ल्स के लिए.
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah.
So I think these are 2 of the major things जो रहता है.
आप मुझे बताओ, बिकॉज यू हैव बीन हियर फॉर अ वेरी वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम, इंडिया में लोग आपको देख के ऐसा बोलते हैं कि आप बहुत सक्सेसफुल हो और बिकॉज यू आर ऑलरेडी हियर, राइट? बिकॉज तो फिर लोगों को ऐसा लगता है आपके बारे में या लोगों को लगता है ठीक है?
like when I go back, like they think that
Privilege.
because he lives there, yeah, he's higher status, he has a better lifestyle, and then automatically they treat me different.
Yeah.
I've faced that, and then when I speak in English, I face that more.
Yeah,
So
with an accent. हाँ.
yeah, so a lot of people. So then मैं हिंदी में बोलता हूँ ज़्यादा या.
But आपकी हिंदी काफ़ी अच्छी है.
हाँ, क्योंकि मैं when I moved to Canada I was 14.
Oh,
तो
yeah,
ऐसा नहीं कि एकदम बच्चा था.
हाँ.
तो 14 साल मैंने इंडिया में बिताए थे. तो that's why. But at the same time, like फिर थोड़ा मिक्स सा हो गया मेरा. तो हाँ, थोड़ा डिफरेंस दिखता है. then जब दिखता है then people treat me different. तो थोड़ा वो लोग अलग से बात करते हैं versus कोई लोकल जो होता है. फिर मेरे को एकदम obvious लगता है कि
ऐसा होता होगा ना, मार्केट में जाते हो आप, अपना एक्सेंट बोलते होंगे तो बोले कि इससे बार्गेन नहीं करो, इसके पास पैसे हैं.
लेकिन बोलना ऐसा होना नहीं चाहिए. But then it depends कि आप किससे बात करो.
What is the definition of success to you? Because you left home back in India. हम NRIs हैं. आपके लिए सक्सेस क्या है? घर से इतना दूर आप आए हो, यहाँ रह रहे हो, क्या लगता है आपको सक्सेस क्या है?
At one point of time I feel it was money, but right now like in my 30s I feel अच्छा work life balance, so family के साथ quality time spend कर पाए जब चाहे. I can go and do stuff for my family. तो वो अगर कर पा रही हो, that means like, and also like having peace.
Yeah.
Be at peace with what you are doing.
Correct.
So I feel that is success for me right
आपके
now.
लिए?
Success it's changed. When I was younger, it was more about money and the corporate position that I'm in. Now it's more about work-life balance and having enough time for my family, building a life with
hard together.
Yeah.
You know, like enough time so we can travel, help, like have kids and make the kids grow, have a good life,
Yeah.
things like that. But I feel like it's gonna keep changing.
Yeah.
The definition keeps
keep
changing
evolving.
throughout.
आपको घर की कितनी याद आती है?
हाँ, याद तो आती है. Same thing. Before I used to live there, तो जहाँ भी काम करता था घर जाना easy रहता था.
हाँ.
Now I can just like pick up my bags on the weekend and go home.
Yeah,
I have
घर
to
जाना.
wait for the right time because I have to
हाँ,
take a
हाँ,
few days off.
Hi, what's your name?
My name is Aditi.
Aditi. How long you've been here?
I've been for like 2.5 years to 3 years. Yeah.
आपको लगता है कि यहाँ लोग ज़्यादा कॉम्पिटिटिव होते हैं एक दूसरे से? दे आर लाइक ऑलवेज थिंकिंग यू नो दिस गाय हैज़ अ बिगर हाउस, दिस गाय हैज़ अ बिगर सैलरी, और डू यू थिंक इंडिया में भी ऐसी है? यहाँ कुछ स्पेशल नहीं है?
Competition is there in every part of the world. Like I am a software developer. मतलब मेरे को भी जॉब यहाँ पे ढूंढने के लिए like I got like 8 months. I've been searching for jobs.
हाँ.
So yeah, like competitive environment is really very much here because a lot of minds are there.
हाँ.
But I think it's in every country. Wherever you go, you need to have that competitive mindset.
To have a growth.
Yeah, to have a growth. That will create your success basically.
Hi. How long you have been here?
25 years.
Okay, so you've been born here.
No, I was born in India and then I
Okay.
moved here. I actually moved to North Carolina when I was 5.
Okay. How was life as an Indian living in the US as a child?
It was hard
Was
actually. Yeah, because I grew up in the South, so
Mm-hmm.
there's a lot of racism.
Okay.
A lot of bullying.
Uh-huh.
I had an accent when I came, so
Uh-huh.
everybody would bully me in class, and
Okay.
I had a hard time making friends for
Okay.
first couple of years.
Okay.
I always had to figure out, do I belong or not belong? So it was very difficult to make friends. And then when I moved up here to New York and New Jersey, it was a lot better.
Yeah,
then. It was
more Cosmo.
Yes.
Yeah.
Much more diverse.
Okay. How often do you go to India?
Not very often. I've only gone twice.
In 25 years, twice?
Yeah.
Okay.
We're not very close to my family in
Okay.
India.
Okay.
We don't really get along with them. So I
Okay.
think that's why.
Okay.
I would like to go myself as an adult to experience India.
Your,
and
your
like,
own.
yeah, build my own culture because
Yeah.
my parents kind of shielded me a lot from India and all the
Okay.
family politics and
Okay.
things.
Yeah, that's
yeah.
fair. That's
so
fair.
I would like to go and like just explore it as
Yeah,
like a
yeah.
young adult.
Yeah.
Hi.
What's your name?
Rochelle.
Okay. How long you've been here?
For about 4 years now.
4 years. Do you feel a sense of home here? Like this is your home?
This would be a very individual or personal view.
Yeah.
I don't really believe in one place being your home.
Correct.
And you carry your own roots. You build your home within yourself. And again, it takes time.
Correct.
It doesn't happen overnight or the moment you land anywhere in the world.
Correct.
So it will take time, and everything doesn't has to be permanent in nature. Because when you are the question you are asking me really refers to something very permanent. Home as a permanent place.
Yeah.
So be agile in that manner. Do not attach to one person, one place as permanency.
Correct.
Become your own home, and I think you will find home anywhere you go.
One pro and one con of living in the US.
Pro, I feel, is being a woman. I feel is more independence, freedom, and I'm not saying anything that I did not get that back at home.
Correct.
I always did.
Yeah.
But I feel like whenever you start living by your own or making your own niche and community, building your own self, there's a different sense of independence which comes.
Okay.
Correct,
got
but
you.
also it brings a lot of rush of memories of your families, of your loved ones,
Correct.
of India, and that the food, maa ke haath ka khana, the bondings which you have. Yeah, that would be a con, that you are living far away from your family.
Yeah. Missing festivals, shadi, XYZ.
Yeah, but everything in life comes with a cost. So if you are willing to pay for it, then make it worthy enough.
That I really like the last line. Yeah. You know, some people are always confused ना कि यहाँ रहना है but यहाँ पे ये नहीं है, तो वो यहाँ नहीं रहेगा. You know, it comes with a cost. But India में भी रहोगे तो भी कुछ cost है उसकी, है ना?
I'm telling you, everywhere. India may be, if you're moving to a different city, it's the same thing, right?
Correct.
If you're different city, you are starting your own life.
Yeah.
So it's not that big of a difference in the concept.
Correct.
But how the way you look at it really makes all the difference.
Yeah. Yeah.
So it's okay if you really want to pursue something. Go pursue. It's your time. Just go out.
Just do it.
do it. Say yes.
Say yes. Move. Thank you. Thank you. Hi everybody, my mama is making a video.